Hello everyone, we are on the part 4 of the video. If you're not checked the part, please check the remaining parts, that is part 1, part 2, part 3. Now here I am very discussing very problems based on the earth pressure theories, mainly the C5 condition wala problems. I'm Manoj Pillai, the assistant professor from Department of Civil Engineering, teaching in Saraswati College, Karagar. Let's start. This is your problem basically. You have C5 soil. Don't consider this case. This is not there. Now, previous problems were based on your only 5 वाला सॉइल उसमें सी था ही नहीं सी इक्वल टू जीरो था ठीक है इन दिस प्रॉब्लम यू कैन सी फॉर द लेयर नंबर 1 you have phi equal to 20 c equal to 20 and gamma equal to 17 kilonewton per meter cube. For layer 2 it is phi equal to 30 c equal to 0 gamma equal to 18 kilonewton per meter cube. First layer is having 2 meters, layer 2 is having 8 meters. Let me say one thing. When you are having C5 soil or C soil, your PA का formula changes. It is gamma Z Ka minus 2C under root of Ka. But for the normal soil where you have only phi value, your PA is something like vertical stress. That is sigma Z Ka. It is a similar way. For both the soils, the K remains the same. That is Ka is equal to my active earth pressure. That is 1 minus sine phi divided by 1 plus sine phi. It remains the same. Now, there are two layers, so I am telling Ka1. Let me call this as Ka2. So, 1 minus sine phi divided by 1 plus sine phi. I have two things here. Now, I have my phi 1, which is equal to 20 for my layer number 1. You can see here. And my phi 2, that is equal to 30. I will just put in this. I will get some values here. Let's move to the next part. So Ka1 I have got by using 20. Ka2 I have got by using 30. That is this one. Now again I am saying this by mistakenly I have got here. I am very sorry for it. Now I have got this equation, that is I have got this equation, that is PA equal to gamma Z Ka minus 2C under root of Ka, right? I have got this equation. Now when I am drawing a diagram, it should contain in this way. There is a vertical you have seen. So I will just locate the depths here. That is, this is 0 meter. This is at minus 2 meters. And this is at minus 10 meters from the top, right? Now what I have to do is, at z equal to 0, you have to determine what is the PA का value. So at z equal to 0 क्या हो जाएगा? ये 0 हो जाएगा because z equal to 0 I am taking. So it is equal to minus 2c under root of Ka. Which Ka? Ka1. Let's see this. So at z equal to 0, I have told you, you will only remain with this part. Minus 2c is 20 as shown here, and Ka1 is from here. Okay, you will get this one. So what I got is, I'm just drawing this again. So I have 0, I have minus 2. I'm very sorry, the minus 2 is very down. Okay, this part. So first one I am getting it as negative. It's right, because for C5 soil we get it the value as negative. So you're getting minus 28, right? Now let's move next. At this interface, as you are having Ka1 and Ka2, okay? Listen me very carefully. As you are having Ka1 and Ka2, at this interface you will have two values. This is very important where you do the mistake. Understood? That is, one value you will get at this, that is z equal to 2 above, and second value we call this as below value. Let's check this out. So before that, I know my, whenever I am having this condition, okay, there is some depth which is called as z0, which is called as z0. That is a critical depth, or we call it as a depth, right? You have this formula 2c. How you get this? This depth is basically where your pressure is equal to 0. Remember this. Again, this is not there. Okay, you will get this value. Okay, now we are going for this layer. First layer we have got it as minus 28. So first one I am getting it as minus 28. अब मुझे चाहिए कि 2 मीटर पे कि कैसा है, ठीक है? I got my critical depth also. Critical depth मतलब जहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये क्रॉस होता है. This is at 3.36. Okay. Now PA at z equal to minus 2. PA at z equal to minus 2, it is equal to what? That is this equation you have to apply. That is gamma 1 z1 into k1 minus 2c into k1. Okay, I've just wrote, you got some value here. So you get some value at this point, that is equal to minus 11.34. I've told you at this junction you will get two values, one is above, one is below. So you have to also determine at z equal to minus 2 what is the overburden pressure. Overburden pressure, very easy question, that is q into due to second Ka2. Always remember this, it's the q, that is the surcharge क्या रहता है, gamma into d or gamma into z, you call it as into Ka2. Gamma, which gamma we will take? Gamma 1. Gamma 1 कितना है 17 into z कितना है 2 है, Ka2 कितना है 0.33. You will just understand this value, I'm just showing it out. For the layer 2 it will act as a surcharge. So this one is for above, this one is below. See, this is equal to gamma into z into Ka2. So again I am saying this is above condition, this is below. At this condition you will get two values because your Ka is different. Understand this. Okay, now we are going for the below layer. Before that, let's check it out. Okay, I'm just drawing the diagram. So I have got the first at 0, I have got minus 28. Second value, that is this value, I'm getting it as, that is above value, I'm getting it as minus 114. Now next value is at plus, right? So you have to draw in this side. This my 0, from this side you will have this value. So at this interface you have two values of, अंडरस्टूड दिस. यहाँ पे दो वैल्यू रहेगा बिकॉज यहाँ का के और यहाँ का के अलग है, एक इक्वेशन वाला वैल्यू और एक सॉइल का ओवरबर्डन प्रेशर, बट यू विल टेक Ka2 देयर. अंडरस्टूड. अभी नाउ दिस will act as a surcharge because you have taken Ka2 right in this. Ka2 लिया है मतलब ये सॉइल में भी Ka2 है, तो this will act as a surcharge. इसके लिए इसको नीचे की तरफ ड्रॉ किया है. गॉट इट. अभी नेक्स्ट लेयर के लिए, ये लेयर का हो गया. अभी नेक्स्ट लेयर के लिए, लेयर 3 के लिए कैसा रहेगा? इट्स अ नॉर्मल सॉइल, सो यू विल हैव अ ट्राइंगल ऑफ gamma 2 z2 into Ka2. Let's check this out. That is gamma 2 is how much? 18, z is 8 meters and Ka2 which is 0.33. Let's check this out. Understood? At 10 meters it is the same thing. What we have done is we have calculated the overall part. No need to calculate the overall part. This one I have said, that is gamma z into Ka2. Understood? Now after doing this you have to calculate your PA. PA calculate करने के लिए I have told you, you have to take 1, 2, right? There are three things here, but this one is negative. When to take, when not to take, I will say. ये है 1, ये है 2, तो PA निकालो. PA क्या? एरिया ऑफ दिस डायग्राम, दैट इज इट्स अ रेक्टेंगल. ये PA2 क्या है? एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. सो एंड y1 क्या रहेगा? 8/2, दैट इज 4 मीटर, एंड दिस इज h/3, दैट इज 8/3, राइट? PA1 you will act here, and then you have to determine y1 is equal to PA1 y1 plus PA2 y2 divided by total PA. ठीक है, इससे तुम्हें y मिलता है, मतलब कहाँ पे एक्ट करता है वो फोर्स. Now there are two things here which you have to understand. Basically, earth pressure before the tension crack is developed, it is this condition. Understand this. If it is asked earth pressure diagram after tension crack is developed, it is this one. That is, you only have to consider the positive one. After tension crack developed वाला केस आया तो सिर्फ पॉजिटिव वन लेना है, मतलब नेगेटिव वन को भूल जाना है. दिस वन इज नेगेटिव. ये जीरो लाइन है तुम्हारा, इस तरफ नेगेटिव है, इस तरफ पॉजिटिव है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, be aware of your coronavirus. Please, to my dearest all the students, be safe and stay at the home. Thank you so much.